A special birthday for a UK resident here in Hawaii. Not only is he celebrating his 79th birthday, but he's also been discharged from the hospital after battling COVID-19. Max Rodriguez spoke to the patient and his doctor about the recovery in tonight's top story.
When Paul was in the ICU fighting for his life, breathing with the help of a ventilator, doctors had feared the worst. But now he has much reason to celebrate. Paul Greenslade celebrated his 79th birthday on Thursday. A day later, he received what may have been the best gift ever, another chance at life.
When I went home today, I walked through the general department's doors, and this almighty noise of people cheering and taking pictures and everything. It's very touching.
The staff at Stroff Medical Center cheering on Paul's health. But not too long ago, the situation seemed dire. Nearing the end of the UK couple's yearly vacation to the islands, and before Governor Ige's mandatory 14-day quarantine order for visitors, Paul began experiencing cold-like symptoms, and it got worse from there.
And I had complications on top of that, so that's what dragged it out a bit. Pneumonia and things like that.
He was put in a medically induced coma and spent roughly 2 weeks in the ICU on a ventilator.
He really beat the odds. He was not somebody that, by the numbers, you would have expected to make it.
Dr. Jonathan Palladino says an entire team of about 9 people cared for Paul. He says part of the success is having the ability to focus on a patient, something harder hit states cannot do.
We pretty much threw the kitchen sink at him that we could think to help him, because he was extremely sick, and multiple systems were failing on this gentleman. And, we didn't think that he was going to make it.
But he did make it, although he is still on the road to full recovery.
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm just extremely weak. Extremely weak. That's the frustration. You could push me over with a feather.
He says the best part is being able to be next to his wife once again.
Well, I hadn't seen my wife for 3 weeks. And as we're not divorced, we seem to get on all right, so I missed it.
Paul says he will have a video check-in with the doctor to follow up on his progress. And once they head back to England, just like in Hawaii, the couple will have to quarantine inside their home. Max Rodriguez, KH22 News, working for Hawaii.